Here with a look at Bitcoin. All right, looks like possibly pulling back here. All right, we got a wedge forming up. Looks like it's about to break down. We take a measurement off this thing. We don't have a 382 here, but that don't necessarily mean we have to either. We get a breakdown through this wedge, if it breaks down through here. Now, a lot of the RSIs are getting close to resetting also. All right, this thing is right at, let's take a look here, 107.096. Okay, now if we look at the 4 hour RSI is on the bottom. The 1 hour is just about down there. Boy, oh boy, this thing is just getting so close. You know, it just looks like looks like a breakdown to me. It looks like it's coming down. You know, you got the 12-hour. Boy, trying to turn back up here. I mean, it is just right on the verge. All right, if we do get a breakdown, it looks like this thing could come down to. Take a measurement off of this. You know, you'd be looking right around 90,000. If it uses this wick, all right, right around 90,000 bucks, maybe 95, somewhere right in that range. The reason I say 95, that's our big support line coming up through here. All right, right through here. This is a weekly chart. Here's your support line, 1, 2. You know, I've talked about this numerous times with it. We've had 5 waves on Bitcoin, but we have Bitcoin dominance, you know, still looking to break down, excuse me. The daily RSI, you know, it's kind of wanting to roll over here. All right, so to hold on here, you know, this thing would have to hold probably like 96, 95, 96,000. I mean, to hold on. You know, if it doesn't, maybe it wicks down here through down towards 90 and then comes back up in. If it breaks down, you got the 12-hour RSI, you know, trying to turn back up. You got the 8-hour, you know, coming down. Well, boy, it's just, I was hoping it would do something here. 107, 199. You know, it just keeps bouncing off this area, but it, you know, it just looks. We have 5 waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The only thing that's concerning me, you know, is this big wick down. Is that just a black swan event? You know what I mean? Should this even be really on the chart, or should we be looking at this over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, and a 1, 2, and a move back up here. We'll just have to keep an eye on Bitcoin. All right, if it takes out 106, 600, you know, then, you know, I would watch for a breakdown here. All right, we'll keep our eye on this, and I'll get back to you. You know, 107, 280, starting to pick up a little bit. It's 6:43, so at 7 o'clock you're going to have a new 1 hour candle starting here, and the 1 hour, you know, we have a green start here. It's trying to make a bounce back up. Okay, so keep an eye on this thing. We'll see what happens here. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll talk to you soon.